friends. I'm going to move myself over here. So we are going to be doing some money counting today. And yesterday I taught you guys how we can use a hundreds chart to help us skip count with our coins. And so today we're specifically going to be counting dimes and pennies. And so if you have that hundreds chart and some coins, go ahead and grab those and you can do this along with me, or you can just follow along with me. But what I'm going to be using is this hundreds chart, and we're going to be looking at using that to help us find the value of the coins that we have using just dimes and pennies. And so I want you to think about when we were building numbers before and we were using tens and ones, we always started counting with the tens first and then we would do the ones. The reason we do that is because we always start with the greater value. It's a lot easier to count. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be first counting the dime because they're worth 10 cents, and then we're going to be counting the pennies, which are worth 1 cent. So we're going to go from the biggest value to the smallest value. Okay, so here we have this set of coins. We have 2 dimes and we have 4 pennies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 2 dimes here on my hundreds chart. And so we know that this is worth 10 and 20. Now I'm going to add my 4 pennies. And I know pennies are worth 1 cent, so I'm going to count those by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I can count my value of this coin set and starting with the biggest number. So watch what I do. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And that matches because if you notice, we are covering the last coin, it landed on 24. So that means we have a total of 24 cents between our 2 dimes and our 4 pennies. Let's see another one. Here's a new set of coins. So here we have our 4 dimes, which is what are highlighted in here. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And then now let's add our 3 pennies, 41, 42, 43. All right, now notice I didn't just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That doesn't tell me the value. That just tells me how many coins I have. I don't want to know how many coins. I want to know the value or how much it's worth in all these coins. So I counted my dimes by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I count on by ones, 41, 42, 43. So this total group of this total group of coins is worth 43 cents. All right, and there's that cent symbol is a C with a line through it. Not 43 ducks, not $43, 43 cents. All right, here's the next one. So here we have, ooh, they flipped one on us, but I know that's a dime. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, which we've now placed, and that gives us to 50, plus 1 more penny. And they have now noticed they didn't put the penny up here because the dimes are here. Those are all covered. These ones right here. But we put a penny after the last coin. So our last dime went here, and then the next one was the penny. So here we have 51 cents because we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. So this set of coins is worth 51 cents. All right, now this tells us the answer, but let me go into present mode. That way we can see without the answers popping up. So problem 2. They wanted us to find the value of, maybe I can move this guy up. Yeah, it can move me up. All right, so now we want to see what the value of this set of coins are. Now I like what they did here is they mixed them up. So they're trying to trick us, but we know the values of these coins and we can do this. So I notice we have the dimes and the pennies. I'm going to start with the biggest coin first, the biggest value, and those are going to be dimes, and those are 10. So 10, 20, and 30. So I'm going to move those here onto our hundreds chart, and then I'm going to take these 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies and put them on the hundreds chart. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We have 34 cents here. So this set of coins is worth 34 cents. Here's the next one. All right, so pennies or dimes first. I'm going to start with my dime. So let's put our dimes up. So 1, 2, or 10, sorry, let's count these by tens. I'm sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now doing our 1, 61, 62. So this is worth 62 cents. All right, so I'll let you guys figure this one out. Looking at the dimes, looking at the pennies, how much is this worth? There they go. 27 cents. Great job. So we were skip counting using our tens and our ones today, and thankfully we've been doing all the skip counting, and that helped us be able to count the value of these coins.